Please like, subscribe. Clever fish. One day a fisherman would fishing to a river as usual. He threw his net into the river and he just sat waiting there for fish to gather. He could sell a lot of fish in the market and get some good money for the fish. After some time, fisherman looked relevant fish in the net. Thinking that he must got a lot of fish in the net. He acted to count the net out of water. But then suddenly the fish started talking to him. Said to the fisherman, "Oh fisherman, please leave me. Oh fisherman, I will tell you something which is a huge help if you leave me back in water." But then again the three little fish said to the fisherman, "I will tell all my friends about you and I bring them to the big coffee first. So that when you came next time you have much more fish." Fisherman talking to himself, "Wow, that is not bad," he was thinking. "He found one teeny little fish today. Tomorrow I will got a lot of fish." Fisherman let's go start two little fish into the river again and never to came back. Poor fisherman, he came next day and expected there is a lot of fish which was very clever. And because the clever net he sell his life from the fisherman. Moral: you have to be really clever, the same your life from shark.